What's going on, all you droniacs out there? Just got done flying the drone. We're out here in northern Wisconsin on Lake Catherine. This is a family's member's cabin out here. I was just stepping over some puddle there, but this is their little bay that they're in. But beyond this, it opens up to Lake Catherine, and it is gorgeous. This whole place is just awesome. Talk about a relaxing weekend we've had. We've flown, just got done flying. This is our last day here. But yeah, just had a blast. Yesterday it was pretty windy, so I didn't get to go out, and even this morning it was pretty rainy. So I wasn't thinking that I was gonna get to go out flying, but I actually did. Got to fly around, saw my family member's cabin, and it was pretty amazing from the sky. And then went over to see his neighbors and stuff like that, and yeah, they all thoroughly enjoyed it. Everybody's having fun for 4th of July. But stay tuned to the YouTube channel. I will have the full version up and going later on this week, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. But yeah, stay tuned. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and all that kind of good stuff. So, all right, I'll talk to y'all later.